AI in finance works, just not in your operation. Here's the finding that keeps compliance officers up at night. Not that the technology failed, but that it was working while the operation collapsed around it. 81% of financial institutions run AI at some level. Only 40% report any profitability increase. And 55% can't measure the value of what they brought in at all. That's not a technology problem. That's a sequence problem. The pattern is consistent. A new system goes live. Transaction monitoring, fraud detection, or both. Works exactly as designed. And yet the alert backlog grows. New products go unmonitored. And the analyst who calibrated the thresholds left in February. The system did what it was built to do. It just wasn't built around the operation it entered. No vendor tells you this on arrival. No system brings institutional context. It comes trained on broad industry patterns, with no memory of your team's past decisions. The threshold calibrations tuned after a false positive spike. The fraud typologies your senior analyst built over 18 months. The UBO tracing logic for your client's actual jurisdictions. None of it transfers. The errors are invisible until an examiner, a fraud spike, or a key departure surfaces them at the worst moment. The teams getting consistent results did one thing first. They mapped their operation at the decision level. Where does human judgment actually change the outcome? Versus, where is it just consumed by work that requires accuracy? Assembly work. Pulling data, cross-checking watch lists, building case files, that's AI's lane. Judgment work, alert disposition, SAR narratives, escalation decisions, that's yours. The gap between 81% running AI and 55% unable to measure what they got isn't a technology gap. It's a sequence gap. Start with the mapping, not the tooling.